Hey, welcome to the channel. This is Jacqui Hodges, and I encourage you to love the skin that you're in. Today, I have a special tutorial for you that's my favorite flawless everyday makeup. So simple, so basic, but so easy for anyone. So stay tuned and so the first part of a flawless face makeup look is foundation primer. And this is my favorite foundation primer. It's from the Mary Kay collection and it has an SPF 15, so that does give you an extra layer of sunscreen, but it acts as kind of a base for your foundation. It fills your pores in so your foundation goes on smooth. It also helps my makeup stay on longer and look fresher. The next thing is Mary Kay CC Cream, which stands for Complexion Corrector. This is my favorite everyday makeup. You can use a blending brush if you want, or a medium coverage brush. But for this tutorial, I'm just gonna use my fingers. When I wanna get my makeup on fast and quick, I just use my fingers, making sure, of course, that my hands are clean. But you just blend it into your skin. It serves as a moisturizer, a lightweight makeup, and it has an SPF 15. And it just evens out any unevenness or redness in your skin, almost acting like as a concealer and a makeup all in one. It has a bit of a dewy finish, very moisturizing. If you have combination skin, you would be good with this. If you have oily skin, you might not love it. Next up is my favorite concealer. It is the perfect consistency to use around your eyes. You want a product that is lightweight enough that it doesn't gather in any maturity you have in your eye area skin. And see how I've like just angled that and then am patting it up towards my eye. You don't want to do a thick layer of concealer right up against your eye because it just is too thick. I use a little blending sponge to blend it in. And you can just see there how I apply it. So I don't just do a big swipe underneath my eye because it doesn't look natural and it just makes that eye area look kind of heavy. There's different shades of concealer, and so you want to make sure and choose a concealer that is a nice match for your skin tone. I use concealer right at the base of my nose where it meets my my cheek, just to help brighten in that little bit of gathered skin there. Just anywhere that looks a little dark, you can use your concealer. And then finally, translucent powder. If you've seen my tutorials before, I call it angel dust. This is a really fine ground powder. It doesn't have any color to it. It is like a clear powder, but it's a setting powder and just makes your face look flawless. It takes down the shine if you don't like the shine. It also just sets everything so that your makeup stays looking fresh for just the longest time. So that was my daily 4-part flawless face makeup routine. It's the routine that I did this morning. It is the routine that I do nearly every day. On this video, it took me like, what, 3-4 minutes? And that's how long it takes me every day. I like a really fast everyday routine. It included primer, CC cream, concealer, and translucent powder. I'll link all of those products in the description. If you like the idea of CC cream, but you're just like, how would I even know what shade to wear? No worries. I have an app that actually helps you match your CC cream foundation, and I would love to share that with you. So let me know about that in the comments as well. Just say, send me the app, and I'll get you the details on that. Also wanted to, on a closing note, invite you personally to the Confident Beauty Collective. It's my private space online where I get to share all things self-care for the mind, body, and the spirit. And I would love to personally invite you to join us there. The link for that community is also in the description of this video. Until next time, have a great day.